So I'll do this for Tim B. 2478. Number 2. Let's hope it's not. Let's hope it's not, Tim. 2015 Clear Vision, number 2. Oh, Farrer, which break did you want? 3 Prism, 4 Chrome. That sounds pricey. How long does it usually take for Panini point redemption? Should be the same day. That'll be if not the next day. All those cards are in stock. So it'd be funny if you redeem your points for a redemption card. Emmett, they should ship it within a day or two, and you should get it 4 to 5 days later. Larry Fitzgerald, 15 of 49, Jumbo Jersey. Drew Brees, David Johnson, rookie. 64 of 99, Amir Abdullah. Amari Cooper. Matt Stafford Glass. Eric Dickerson. That's an orange Bortles and Roethlisberger. So to recap, we got Stafford Glass and Larry Fitz 49 patch. There you go. Quick and easy. Timothy B. Thanks, man.